You know, you guys are sexually involved with somebody. What reactions do you expect from your parents?
Married to that guy.
As soon as possible.
છોકરી બહુ બગડી ગઈ છે. આ તો એ શું કર્યું?
શું કર્યું?
તે ઉમ્મીદ નહોતી. આપણા સમાજની છોકરી આવું ન કરે.
बेटा तू क्या कर रहा है?
बेटा तो क्या कर रहा है?
अभी ये सब नहीं.
अब क्या दोगे जवाब में?
अभी नहीं तो कब?
Hey, this is Being Insane and this is your host Drashti. Well, let's get going as we plug into conversations, and today we are going to talk about relationships, virginity and parents. Let's get going. Alright, so hey there people, I want to understand your relationship status.
Very very complicated.
Single.
Single?
Single.
Are you into relationship?
Yeah.
What about you?
Yes.
Single.
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 Q?
Single.
In a relationship.
Are you a virgin?
Yes.
ताकि सोचना पड़ा. चल झूठी.
सच में.
No.
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 नहीं पता था तुझे. चल झूठे.
Yes.
Are you a virgin?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
You're not hiding anything.
No.
What about you?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think is the right time for you girls to go out and become sexually active, that is lose your virginity?
21. After marriage. After marriage.
After marriage.
After marriage. So you're going to be patient enough?
23, 24.
Okay.
21, 22.
Okay.
17, 18 years.
This fine?
No. After marriage.
Like, no, there's no proper age. It depends.
Whenever they feel like?
Yeah. But maybe after marriage only so.
Any age, it's their choice. It's an individual's choice when they want to lose their virginity.
Okay. So we have a stereotype of men, especially with the guys, you know, whether they are a virgin or no, they would still want a girlfriend or their future wife to be a virgin. What are your thoughts about this kind of a concept?
That's actually really stupid.
I don't think it should matter where whatever happened before the current relationship. So that person is not accountable to you for their past.
I would leave that guy. I'll be like, if you aren't, then you can't expect me to be that.
Same. Obviously, if he is not, then how can he expect?
Something like
No.
Why?
Because they would have also slept with someone, and why they demand for all this shit?
Since I had premarital sex, why would I mind? I don't.
It's hypocrisy for men to think that.
Definitely not. It's okay if she's not a virgin or it's her past after all. So it shouldn't matter to me at all.
I think those are creepy men. I'm sorry to say this. But yeah, if a boy can do it, why can't a girl can do it?
Would you ever be a person to go up to your parents, talk about relationships and sex as openly as you talk about other random things?
Not really.
कभी हम अपने ये टॉपिक पे हम पेरेंट्स के साथ बात कर सकते हैं?
Never.
बेटा तू क्या कर रहा है?
बेटा तो क्या कर रहा है?
अभी ये सब नहीं.
I can't talk with my parents.
नहीं मतलब इतना घर पे इतना फ्रेंडली नहीं है एटमॉस्फेयर कि ऐसे सब बात कर सके.
Yes, we do. Like, I do share stuff with my parents. They're not completely comfortable with it, but obviously I need to because I cannot hide stuff from them.
No. Obviously, I will share that with my parents because I think they are the first one to know that I am in a relationship and I'm sexually active. So yeah.
I share a bond with my parents that I can share anything and everything with them, and they're very cool about it. So yeah.
So people, as you saw, we had a mixture of opinions with this topic as we discussed relationships, virginity and parents. Do comment down in the below section and like, follow, share Being Insane. This is your host Drashti Vajara signing off. Thank you.